Hello everybody, you hear my voice from Rita Group front end channel. At the first, please subscribe our channel to give us more energy, and let's go to our lesson or session. This lesson is about CSS animation. This is a good property and easy property. At the first, think we have a division with background color, for example, blue. This is our animated div. Okay guys, let's add a class animation. Okay guys, we have a background color blue. Let's open live server. This is our div. Think we wanna change the background color to, for example, green in, for example, 5 seconds cycle. Let's go do this. Okay, we should specify a name for our animation. For example, I wanna specify my name to color cycle. After that, we should define an animation with keyframe and identifier. Here we write our animation name, color cycle. Let's do this. For example, now I want to use to property and from. For example, I want to set this from to. From what? Background color blue to background background color green. Okay guys, here we have duration. Duration is specify how long time an animation should complete the cycle. For example, I don't remember how long I said in the past, but now I said this, for example, 6 seconds. This is second symbol. Timing function. I want to set this to easy. We have many timing function. You can check them here in WTO school. Timing function. Where's timing function? Here. Linear. Ease in, ease out. You can check them here live. This is linear. This is ease in. There are some things like effects. Okay guys, we have a delay. What's this mean? It means after, for example, if I set this 2 seconds, it means our animation is a start after 2 seconds after page load. For example, now I want to set this 0. Iteration count. This is a specified number of time. For example, if set this to 6 time your animation is play and loop. But now I want to set this to infinite to my animation always play. Direction. This is for direction. Specify whether animation should be play forward, backward, or in alternate cycle. Let's check this. This is alternate. Let's come back. But for example, in normal, go to from 2. This is reverse, alternate, go here, go back again, and we have alternate reverse, start from 2. And there are animation directions. Okay, I wanna set this to forward. Excuse me, sorry. Alternate for fill mode. What is fill mode? It's specify when, for example, an animation played. For example, I change my division color from blue to green, but if our animation stopped, my color come back or goes back to blue again, and green is not applied for ever. But if in fill mode we set forward, after stop animation, for example, let's do this one time, our color will be staying green. Our animation is not work. I don't know why. Let's see. Okay guys, our problem these are for this, because we write this like this, but now I remove the codes, and we should add a second symbol to our timing values. For example, this is animation delay and this is animation duration. Now let's see the result. 4 seconds. In 4 seconds our division goes to green and again back to blue, but it's just play one time. Now let's check if we remove the forward, it goes to green, and after finish animation or stop animation it goes back to their own background color property, which one we set this blue. But now I wanna set the forward here, and instead of 1 I wanna set this infinitive and make the time, for example, 1 second. Can you see? This is infinitive. It's always change the color from blue to green, and it's not a stop. Is on a stoppable animation with infinitive. Okay guys, we have another way to use animation. For example, 0%, 25%, and 50% and 100%. Okay, at the first I said background color is blue, background color is brown, background color is, for example, dark golden road, and at the end background color is, for example, hot pink. Let's change the animation duration to 4 seconds. In 4 seconds our division get the colors. Let's check it. Oops, can you see it's 4 seconds and it's infinitive, but in infinitive we can remove the forwards because it's always running and not stop. There's no need to use forward in infinitive mode. Okay guys, we learn animation, but we learn animation in just one line. We can use animation like this: animation name, animation duration, animation timing function, animation delay, animation fill mode, animation, for example, iteration count. We can write animation properties like this, but this is not true way. It's better to use like this. When you type animation and tab, you can see all of the properties an animation need, but some of them are not necessary. For example, let's remove the timing delay. Let me comment this. If I remove timing delay, it's working. It's no need to use this. Or for example, again for forwards, you can remove them, but we need duration and timing function. Let's check if remove time function what's happened. By the default, it's linear. You can remove this again. But if I remove infinitive, it's just run one time. Can you see? Again, this is blue and not running. They are necessary. Alternate is not necessary, but is useful. Can you see? It's drop. But we add alternate. Okay, guys. Have a good time and goodbye.